Hey everybody, today's coding challenge is one that I found on Code Wars. We want to write a function that takes in two strings, S1 and S2, and returns a new sorted string containing only distinct letters. So we don't want any repeat letters. And the easiest way that I can think of to do this is to start with an already sorted array of letters. So, well, instead of typing them all out, I'm going to do this. G-H-I-J-K-L-M-N-O-P-Q-R-S-T and then split it into an array. Okay, so that's an array with all of the letters in the alphabet already sorted. And now what we can do is I can go through this array letter by letter, which is going to be 26 iterations, and I can say, does S1 contain this letter? Does S2 contain this letter? If neither of those strings contains that letter, I'm going to splice it out of this array to get rid of it. So we'll do a for loop. Let's go backwards. And the reason to go backwards here is if we're going forwards and we splice an index out of here, let's say we come across G and we decide to splice it out, the rest of these values are going to shift down one. So H would end up where G just was, and our I is going to continue to increment, and so we might end up missing a letter. So going backwards, make sure that that doesn't happen. So we're going to go backwards through the array, starting at the last character and going to the first character. And if S1 dot index of array I is -1, and same thing, S2 dot index of array I is -1. That means it doesn't exist in either of those. So we're going to splice it out of the array, and then at the end we should have a distinct set of letters. So with these inputs, that's the output. Let's test it against some of the ones that it has here. So if we get in, are they here? And let's move this over here. Yes, they are here. We get AEHRSTY, AEHRSTY. So that looks like a complete solution to me. Let's plug it in and make sure it works. And there we go. So that's it. I hope you liked the video. Leave any comments or suggestions that you have. Go ahead and like or subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.